Hi, my name is Tula Tzoras, and I just want to take a second to share my legacy with you, which is the Areti Goddess Online Program to empower you both personally and professionally so that you can move from struggle to ease and grace and be all of who you are, Goddess. And I call you Goddess because Goddess is your given birthright and it is our time to rise. In fact, it's vital for our cultural survival. So, starting off with your free download to silence your inner critic and boost your confidence, we then move on to the full program, which is broken up into little bits that you can do on any device, heaps of downloads, heaps of fantastic guest expert tips as well. And you will end up absolutely transforming your relationships, being in super health, mind, body, spirit, including a little exercise to reprogram your DNA for your A game. Then we've got your access to your purpose and passion to do what you love, business tools to make it happen. We've got public speaking and presentation, a masterclass, branding and marketing with the experts, as well as your head-turning pitch and your publicity photography, do's and don'ts for your own branding, no matter what you want to do. I know that the world is crazy at the moment, but this doesn't matter, especially if you want to do something online and do what you love. That's been the benefit of coronavirus, is that we've been at home and perhaps thinking about something we can do that we love online. So go ahead and download those free videos now, download the program, and I want to invite you to join us in our Goddess Club, which starts very, very soon, for ongoing empowerment, collaboration, and women empowering women. So with that, I wish you amazing success.